Bray.
That need to be.
Big trains, small trains, old trains and new, rattling and whistling.
There's some more water in here, and I got pictures.
Starting from the station with a whistle and a hiss. Steam trains huffing and puffing.
There was a station and there was on the head. There was a station and there was on the head.
Yeah, starting from the station with a whistle and a hiss. Steam trains huffing and puffing like this. Diesel trains rushing as they rattle down the
Line.
warning as they're coming with a long road.
Line.
Metal wheels whirl as they whiz along the track. They shimmer and they swish with a slick, click.
Quack.
Coaches are coupled in a neat long chain. An engine pulls the coaches, and that
Make it rain. Well, you want fun.
That's right. If a train meets a river or a valley or a ridge, the coaches rumble over on a big, strong
That is
bridge.
rusty. Why? That's not cool.
If a train meets a mountain, it doesn't have to stop. It travels through a tunnel, and your ears go.
So.
The ears go
But-
pop. When too many trains try to share the same track, the signals and the switches have to. When a rail meets a road, there's a crossing with a. The train rushes through, and the traffic has to.
Daddy train.
Wait.
Daddy was the again. Then the gun.
Okay, you ready? This trains travel anytime, even very late. This train's delivered.
Oh, and that was the end of that page.
Oh my gosh.
Braden.
Uh-oh.
Whoops. Say oopsie doodles.
We'll fix it.